Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Blitz. Uh, in this JavaScript tutorial, we will be covering all the basic concepts as well as the advanced concepts, along with the real life implementation of these concepts, so that it's you get a better understanding of all these concepts and actually what kind of problems that we face in actual implementation of these concepts. You will get to know that. Okay, so we can before starting we can get a little bit of understanding about what is JavaScript. So JavaScript is a client-side object-oriented scripting language that is exactly designed to operate with the web pages to make it dynamic. All the JavaScript programs are called scripts and interact with the document object model, also called as DOM. DOM, which you can say like is an object-oriented representation of the web page, which can be modified with a scripting language such as JavaScript. JavaScript aids in uh, modifying this document object model. So JavaScript is not only limited to client-side scripting, but it also finds its implementation on server side through Node.js, which we can cover later. So JavaScript needs to learn JavaScript, we only need a good code editor, a browser, and if you want to work with any third-party libraries, you can also install Node.js. But only a simple browser and and a good code editor is enough to learn JavaScript. So this is just a brief introduction about JavaScript, and so that we can now directly jump into our creating our own very first Hello World program. So before starting that, I will tell you exactly what all things that needs to be done to start on JavaScript. First of all, create a folder in your local directory like this JavaScript. You can name it anything. Then you can download the Visual Studio Code from the website. It's uh, it's the website name is code.visualstudio.com. So it is available in Mac version for Mac, Windows and Linux. So depending on your operating system, you can download from here. Okay, so once you are downloaded, you can pause the video, download the Visual Studio Code, create a folder, and then we can start. Okay, I hope you all must have downloaded the Visual Studio Code, and once you have downloaded it, uh, go to File. This is the screen you will see. Then go to File and open the folder that you have created. You can go browse to the respective folder where you have created your folder. Uh, okay, so this is the folder that you have that gets displayed over here. In this, before proceeding, there are certain extensions that I would like you to install, which comes very handy while writing the code. This is the one of the extension is live server. So install this extension. It lets us to run the JavaScript scripts in real time, so that when you work on your code editor, you can also see the effects in the browser in real time. Okay, so just download it from here. Once you have downloaded, let's create a first HTML file. Okay, We can name it as index.html. So now once you have created your index.html, ensure that your development environment is HTML. Okay. Also, if sometimes the live server is not running, you need to go to View, Command Palette, and open with live server. Click on Open with live server. It will create a new tab in the web browser. So when whatever the code we run over here, it automatically shows here. VS Code has a very good features. It allows us to create a bare bone HTML structure. We can directly create it. Just click on uh, exclamatory mark. It shows a emmet abbreviation. Emmet is a very uh, is a good functionality that allows us to create a bare bone HTML structure. You can just select on this. So just increase the font a little bit. Okay. So this is our HTML DOM structure. As I have told you earlier, it consists of HTML elements, and these are all elements. These are all the attributes. So this is the DOM structure which we can modify with the help of JavaScript. So there are two ways to put JavaScript script inside the HTML body. One is you can paste it anywhere over here in the body or in the HTML. You can paste it outside also. So let's see the first step. First step is like you have to click on script. You have to put the script tag, close it also. So here you will write your JavaScript code. Let's begin with an alert. This is a JavaScript code to show an alert on the screen. A pop-up window will open. Here you can put your text. Okay. Once you save it, you have to start your live server. Okay. See. So this is the JavaScript that we have put in the body. So whatever the JavaScript it is written in script, it shows it on the live demo environment. So a pop-up displays over here. Okay. So this is one of the steps. You can include it over here. You can cut or paste and paste it here. Here also the same thing will happen. So you can directly include a JavaScript tag or JavaScript code inside a HTML document. This is one of the way to use JavaScript. Better, it is always recommended that you keep this JavaScript code which is there at the end or at the end of the document, because as the JavaScript renders the HTML page, it suppose we keep it the JavaScript code at the start, it takes time to first execute the JavaScript code, then it will render the HTML page. So it might take time. So it is always better to keep the JavaScript code outside of the or at the end of the HTML page. Okay, so as we have discussed this first way of including JavaScript code, now the second way we will is like importing a JavaScript j.js file from the outside, probably referencing it an external JavaScript file. For that, we will create a new .js file. So in the folder over here, you can create a new .js file. We can name it as index.js. In this, you can keep our JavaScript code like this. Here, no need to include tag, script tag, because it's itself a JavaScript file. So you can put code over here. So since we have created this JavaScript file outside of this HTML file, we need to uh, reference it. So to reference that, we will have to uh, create a reference in this. So here on again put a script tag, close it. Now here a source attribute is there, src. It will be equal to the index.js file that we have recently created. So our HTML file will refer to the index.js file containing our JavaScript code. So once we save it, again you will get the same kind of output. So these are the two ways through which you can insert a JavaScript or use a JavaScript inside our HTML file. So I think these are the two things that this was the basic introduction about JavaScript and how we can create JavaScript in HTML. So in future tutorials or future videos we will go from basic to advanced, and we will see how we can definitely implement those in real life scenarios. Uh, okay, so meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.